Megun sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sit.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Shivam Thakur. I am 20 years old. I came from a beautiful hill station, Solan, Himachal Pradesh. My father is a teacher and my mother is an excellent homemaker. Along with my parents, I have a younger sister and she is currently pursuing her graduation. Now talking about my qualifications, I have completed my class 10th from Himachal Pradesh board with an aggregate of 92% and my class 12th from Himachal Pradesh board with an aggregate of 87% and my PCM percentage is 85. I have also completed my bachelor's degree from Himachal Pradesh University with an aggregate of 74%.
Okay.
I have also served as NSS and NCC volunteer, which provided me an opportunity to lead my NCC platoon and organizing many events in my college. I have also served as CSCA member in college. I have also attended 2 camps under Indian Army, which gives me a sense of responsibility and adjustment. I have also passed NCC B and C certificate examination with alpha grades. For these achievements, I was awarded as best cadet in college annual function. My hobbies are playing cricket and farming.
Why are you so nervous?
Sir, because this is my first interview.
This is your first interview.
Yes, sir.
Before this interview, you haven't appeared for any interview, any kind of any interview.
No, sir.
No. Have you appeared for any event of public speaking?
Sir, I have attended.
Okay, leave it. You play cricket.
Yes, sir.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Sir, Hardik Pandya.
Why?
Sir, because he has good all-rounder skills and sir, he has big hitting capabilities. Sir, and he has shown a evolving role in recent World Cup match. And sir, he can play under pressure and his self-confidence inspires me.
But in IPL,
Yes, sir.
all these things were missing.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because he was facing trolling by the fans.
That is after these things, when he was not able to do a good captaincy,
Yes, sir.
when he was not able to perform,
Yes, sir.
that is why people are trolling him.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so
Yes, sir.
trolling is the outcome of all these things.
Yes, sir.
So what is your point of view? Like you are saying that he is a good all-rounder, but he was not performing as an all-rounder.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think performance is temporary and sir, class is permanent.
But I don't think he has a class. Class is in Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli.
Yes, sir. Sir.
People are not taking the name of Dhoni for class.
Yes, sir.
They are taking the name of Dhoni for hitting.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, I don't think Hardik Pandya has any class, or like Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli or any other batsman like Brian Lara or someone else.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am talking about class. His all-rounder capabilities, sir. Not, sir, his playing classical shots. His way of playing.
But he
classical
was
shots.
not performing as an all-rounder also, no? Even in World Cup also, he was performed in the final.
Yes, sir.
And that is also because of Surya Kumar Yadav.
Yes, sir.
The winning last over was Team India won just because of Surya Kumar Yadav, because he has taken the catch. Otherwise, it would be a 6 and the match was gone.
Sir, but in that over also he had thrown a slower wide Yorker, and sir, I can't remember the name of batsman, but
It's okay. Miller.
David Miller, sir.
Yeah.
And sir, he got an edge out.
No, he was not Miller. That is a different thing. That is on first ball, Miller was out.
Yes, sir.
Pressure was created.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Then he has taken the wicket, another wicket.
Yes.
But if it was a 6
yes, sir.
and Miller was on the field,
No, sir. Sir, in the first ball, sir, Miller got an edge and caught by the wicket keeper.
no. Miller was caught out on the boundary by Surya Kumar Yadav.
Sir, I can't remember that player name, but sir,
It's okay. I'm giving you the option. I'm giving you this option that if Surya Kumar Yadav was not there,
yes, sir.
Miller was hitting like hell,
Yes, sir.
and if it could be a 6
Yes,
on the
sir.
first ball when 16 runs are required,
Yes, sir.
So, where would be the class of Hardik Pandya?
Sir, I think, sir, no player can be, sir, God.
Yeah, it is okay. I'm not considering him as a god.
Yes, sir.
Even I'm not considering him as an average player. He's a big mouth.
Yes, sir.
On Karan Johar's show,
Yes, sir.
he was talking so many things which was rot actually.
Yes, sir.
What is your point of view on that? Where was that class?
Sir, I think that was his childhood, sir.
It was not his childhood. He was invited to Karan Johar's show,
Yes, sir.
not in childhood. After performing good thing, I'm saying he's a big mouth. He is saying anything without thinking anything about him or his family or the society.
Yes, sir.
He is just trying to look cool and showing off. According to me, he's not a classical player. Defend him.
Yes, sir.
You defend him.
Sir, I also think that, sir, he is not a classical player, but, sir, he is a big
Even
hitter.
not a classical all-rounder.
Sir, he is a big hitter, sir.
Any inning, like significant number of innings, can you tell me when he was hitting and Team India is winning?
Sorry, sir, I can't remember that match name, but, sir, against Australia in one match that I can remember, he had played a big inning, sir.
Okay, that is the one inning.
Yes, sir.
Significant amount of innings. Like you can count for Rohit Sharma, you can count for Virat Kohli, you can count for the newcomers, Yashasvi Jaiswal or Rinku Singh, Shivam Dube.
Sir, in a match with Bangladesh under the captaincy of MS Dhoni, sir, in the last over there were about 2 to 3 runs to defend in a last over, and sir, at that moment Hardik Pandya got 3 wickets in that over under pressure.
Okay, anything else?
But that's all, I can't remember more.
Okay, why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
Sir,
You have so many things, so many achievements for Navy, Army and all these things. Why are you interested in this?
Sir, I am attracted to Merchant Navy for its autonomy and growth opportunities, sir. Autonomy means having the freedom to work independently, and growth means increasing my knowledge, skills and status. The extensive training and regular drills provided to Merchant Navy crews help them to be prepared for emergency situations and boost their confidence to handle tough situations. The work structure of Merchant Navy also is very good, and the pollution-free work environments promotes better health, and this is a unique benefit of this profession. Also, sir, Merchant Navy will provide me a handsome tax-free salary which help me to improve my family's financial condition.
Okay, what are the job roles of third mate?
Sir, the job role of third mate is to ensuring the maintenance of life-saving appliances and firefighting appliances, and sir, doing the navigational watch as well.
Okay. Which one is your favorite movie?
Sir, Chandu Champion.
Why?
Sir, it is based on the true story of a Indian athlete, Mr. Murlikant Rajaram Petkar. He was an Indian athlete, former Indian athlete, but he is alive today. Sir, at first Chandu was a wrestler, and he was inspired by Mr. Kashba Dada Sahib Jadhav, an Indian freestyle wrestler who was the first Indian athlete to win an Olympic medal from the independent India. At first Chandu was a wrestler, but then due to some reasons he joined Indian Army and shifted his game to boxing and became Asia's boxer. But sir, in 1965 war he got 8 bullet shots and his lower body was totally paralyzed. And then he shifted his game to swimming. With the help of his coach, he excelled his training and set a world record in 50-meter freestyle swimming in Olympics, Paralympics, and got a gold medal in 1972 Summer Paralympics held in Heidelberg, Germany. and he had also won many medals in different games like javelin throw, precision javelin, shot put, table tennis, and slalom. In 2018, he was awarded by Mr. Ramnath Kovind, former Indian President, as Padma Shri Award.
Okay, good, good. Who is your inspiration?
Sir, my inspiration is Mr. Colonel Rajiv Bharwan.
Why?
Sir, because he is a brave person and he was a former commando from Garud, from sir, Air Force, that called Garud Commandos. And sir, and he is preparing more students for SSB interviews. And also he is.
Why are you not there?
Sir, because I am not able to join Indian Army due to some medical reasons, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is his achievements?
Sir, Colonel Rajiv Bharwan. Sir, he has led many operations in his commando tenure.
Give me the name. Give me some names. Don't remember any.
No, sir.
It's okay. What are the 3 positive things about his personality?
Sir, he is a brave person, and sir, he is a positive thinker. Also, sir, he is a animal lover.
3 negative things about him.
Sorry, sir, I can't remember.
Why? 3 negative things about Merchant Navy.
Sir, in Merchant Navy, we have to work for a very long period of time away from our family. Also, we have to work in extreme weather conditions. And sir, in Merchant Navy, there is weak communication technology. So sir, we have to.
Then why are you interested in that?
Sir, besides the negative things of Merchant Navy has more positive things than its negatives. So sir, I think it would be a great profession for me to join it.
Okay. What if I give you 1 crore rupees? What will you do with that?
Sir, I belong to a growing industrial area and it is growing day by day. So I will buy agricultural land for 50 lakhs in that area. By purchasing agricultural land, it will cost me way cheaper than commercial land. And after some years, due to the shortage of commercial land, the prices of my land will be high. And sir, I will use 5% in increasing my knowledge and skills, and then invest 20% in stock market. And I will use 10% in solving water shortage problem in our village, and use 10% for emergency funds and 5% for my entertainment purpose.
Okay, good. चलो, so यहाँ पे खत्म करते हैं इंटरव्यू, ठीक है? इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत ही अच्छा है, बस तुम्हें थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. आई कांटेक्ट अच्छा है, कॉन्फिडेंस बोलने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, मतलब बीच में तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है नर्वसनेस अलग से दिखाई पड़ रही है, ठीक है? कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी 1.5 दे रहा हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, मेनली तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि बॉडी लैंग्वेज तुम्हारी बहुत वैसी है, डिफेंसिव. ऐसा लग रहा है तुम डर के बैठे हुए हो और बोलने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो रही है, जबकि आंसर्स तुमने जितने भी दिए हैं वो बहुत सेटिस्फैक्टरी, मतलब मुझे तो सारे आंसर सही लगे हैं. वाई मर्चेंट नेवी भी ठीक है, इंट्रोडक्शन काफ़ी अच्छा है, बस तुम्हारा जो हार्दिक पांड्या है तुम उसको डिफेंस नहीं कर पाए, ठीक है? हार्दिक देखो, जो भी तुम्हारा इंस्पिरेशन है, या जो जैसे मैंने फेवरेट प्लेयर पूछा, तो उस फेवरेट प्लेयर के बारे में तुम्हें सब पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्यों फेवरेट है. अगर तुम रैंडम आंसर दोगे और सामने वाले को क्रिकेट का नॉलेज है तो वो तुम्हारी वाट लगा देगा उसी टाइम पे. जैसे हार्दिक पांड्या जो है वो एक्चुअल में, मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, ही इज अ बिग माउथ. बिग माउथ मतलब हर जगह मुंह ज़्यादा खोलता है, काम कम करता है, ठीक है? और वो उसमें दिखता भी है. वो हार्दिक पांड्या तो बच इसलिए गया एंड में, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड कप के एंड में वो मैच जीत गया वो, और ओवर ठीक हो गया. हार्दिक पांड्या ने रो दिया, सब लोगों ने गले लगा लिया, दैट इज इट, ठीक है? नहीं तो वो और गालियाँ खाने वाला था. और कहीं परफॉर्म उसने नहीं किया ना, आईपीएल में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया ना, वर्ल्ड कप में किया, मतलब कभी किया होगा उसने अच्छा परफॉर्म, बट जो कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म करते हैं ना, आप उसको बना सकते हो. या अगर आप किसी को बना भी रहे हो तो आप उसका एटीट्यूड यूज, कुछ तो ऐसी पॉजिटिव चीजें बताओ जहाँ पे आप ना फंसो. मैंने तुम्हें फंसा दिया हार्दिक पांड्या के केस में.
सर, मैं उसमें एक तो नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड बोल सकता था और एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बोल सकता था।
उसमें तुम एक चीज़ और बोल सकते थे, उसका पेशेंस, कि पब्लिक ने इतना ट्रोल किया उसने रिएक्ट नहीं किया। पब्लिक ने उसको इतना ट्रोल किया उसने रिएक्ट नहीं किया। वो कैप्टन खुद नहीं बना था, उसको कैप्टन बनाया गया था।
Yes, sir.
लेकिन फिर भी लोगों ने उसको ट्रोल किया पर उसने कहीं रिएक्ट नहीं किया।
Yes, sir.
उसकी फॉर्म खराब चल रही थी पर भी फिर भी उसने कहीं रिएक्ट नहीं किया।
Yes, sir.
और अभी भी वो पब्लिक को कुछ नहीं कह रहा,
Yes, sir.
वो अभी भी इंडिया के लिए खेल रहा है। ये सब चीज़ें उसकी पॉजिटिव चीज़ें हैं जो तुम्हें पता होनी चाहिए।
Yes, sir.
तो तुम्हें वो जब मैं काउंटर कर रहा था तो तुम्हें ये चीज़ें बतानी चाहिए थी। हाँ सर बिग माउथ है, कई बार उसने बोला भी है ऐसा, लेकिन उसमें ये चीज़ें अच्छी है। समझ में बात? इसके बाद जो मैंने तुमसे वो जो नॉन टेक्निकल वाले 3-4 क्वेश्चन पूछे वो भी तुमने सब अच्छे बताए। चंदू चैंपियन पूरी अच्छी तरीके से तुमने समझ रखी है, जो तुम्हारे इंस्पिरेशन है। मतलब ओवरऑल तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू काफ़ी अच्छा है। बस तुम्हें 2 चीज़ों पे काम करना है, एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज, नर्वसनेस और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, इसके ऊपर काम करना है।
Yes.
तुम कुछ पूछना चाहते हो?
सर यही कि नर्वसनेस और कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे लाया जाए।
बार बार ये इंटरव्यू दो। अभी पहली बार में तो ये होता है, ये जितना रिहर्सल करोगे ना, मैं बार बार रिहर्सल का नाम लेता हूँ, जितना ज़्यादा रिहर्स करोगे उतना ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस कम होती जाएगी और कॉन्फिडेंस गेन होता जाएगा। तो अभी तो एक ही इंटरव्यू है, अभी मैं प्रिंस एक बंदे को और भी बुलाने वाला हूँ, एक ग्रेट ईस्टर्न का कैडेट है, उसको और बुलाऊंगा, ताकि यहाँ पे एक बंदा ऐसा हो जो हफ्ते में 3-4 बार इंटरव्यू ले सके। वीकली मैं एक इंटरव्यू लूँगा। जितने इंटरव्यूज़ दोगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ में, यहाँ पे कैडेट्स के साथ में, उतनी जल्दी ग्रो करूँगा। ठीक है।